In this video, we take a closer look at the key tables related to material master data in the SAP system. Material master data contains essential information about materials and products that a company procures, processes, stores, or sells. Within SAP, material master data is structured and stored in a wide range of database tables. The central object in this context is the material number. This number uniquely identifies a material across the entire SAP system. Almost all table entries related to a material are referenced using the material number as a key field. The first and most important table is MARA. This table stores general material master data that is client-independent. It includes basic attributes such as the material number, material type, industry sector, and base unit of measure. These data points apply across all organizational units and serve as the foundation for related detail tables. The MACT table stores short descriptions of materials in various languages. Each material can have one or more language-dependent descriptions maintained in this table. This is especially relevant for multilingual systems or reporting scenarios that require language-specific labels. The MVKE table contains sales-specific material data. It includes the sales organization, distribution channel, and parameters such as the sales unit, tax classification, or delivering plant. This table becomes essential as soon as material is to be sold or distributed. For purchasing-related data, the ENA table is used. It contains information from purchasing info records, which are combinations of a material and a vendor. Pricing conditions and the associated purchasing organization are stored in N. These tables are fundamental for processing purchase orders and calculating prices within the SAP module. The MAR-C table stores plant-specific material data. This includes material requirement planning parameters, production control settings, planning strategies, or plant-dependent units of measure. Each material-plant combination is represented as a unique entry. This table is critical for detailed planning and control of production and inventory at the plant level. Closely related is the MAR-D table, which contains storage location data for each material. It shows the available stock at each storage location and is central to inventory accounting. Without maintained entries in MAR-D, goods receipts or stock transfers at the storage location level cannot be processed. Another important aspect is material classification, which is stored in the AUSP table. This table holds characteristic values for materials assigned to a class. Classification is particularly useful for configurable or variant-rich products, or whenever additional characteristics need to be recorded beyond standard fields. To track changes to material master data, the CD-HDR and CD-PAUSE tables are relevant. CD-HDR contains change document headers, while CD-PAUSE holds the related line item level changes. These tables allow you to trace who made which change to a material record and when. It is important to note that these are not exclusively material-specific tables. They are generic change log tables used system-wide. In summary, managing material master data in SAP is based on a range of interlinked database tables. While MARA acts as the central master data table, other tables such as MAR-C, MAR-D, MVKE, or MAKT provide detailed organization-specific information by plant, sales area, or language. Understanding this table structure is essential for working effectively with material master data in SAP, whether for master data maintenance, reporting and analytics, or integration with other systems.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.